Hey, one second. So in today's class, on here. In today's class, we will discuss about adjective. Already we have learned adjective in previous classes. Now once again, for cross-checking, I am repeating this chapter. Okay. The students who are absent in previous classes, pay attention carefully. Okay. So in this class, let's revise adjective. Especially we are going to focus adjective and its degree of comparisons. Understand? We know what is adjective. Okay. Now in today's class we are basically going to focus comparison of adjective. Okay. Know that adjective is a word that describes a noun. Okay. It's a describing word. Yes. Adjective is a word that describes a noun. जैसे this is a pen. This is a pen. In this sentence, this is a pen. What is adjective? This is a pen. Is there any adjective? No, there is no adjective. Good. If I say this is a nice pen, so nice is an adjective. Okay, nice is an adjective. Now the thing is that this is a costly pen. Now, because all these words costly, nice, okay, these are called adjective. Because why? These two words are clearly describing the noun pen. Okay. Now in today's class we are going to learn that adjective we know already. It's a describing word. Now in today's class we are going to know its comparisons. Now we know that there are three parameters. Parameters in the sense that we know that to make category of degree, we have classified into three different degrees. Okay, comparison of degrees. One is positive, second one is comparative, third one is superlative. The amount of comparisons we are going to deal in this adjective, this is called actually that degree of adjectives. Means suppose if I say this is a beautiful pen. Okay, why I am taking the same example here? Because it will help you to understand clearly what is adjective and how the comparison of adjective works in a sentence. Look at me. All of you look at me. Look at my hand. This is a pen. Okay. In this sentence there is no adjective. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If I say this is a beautiful pen, so there is no doubt that in this sentence we have used beautiful as an adjective of the sentence. Okay. Because it is clearly describing the word noun, that is pen. Okay. Now if I say this pen is more beautiful than this pen. This pen, the pen I am holding at my left hand, is more beautiful than this pen. Okay, this pink color pen is more beautiful to me than this pen. Now the moment I am using more beautiful, this means what? This means who is degree of comparisons I am using here? This is comparative. Because in comparative degree, we only compare between two things. Okay, two different things or two different categories. Okay, the thing is that in positive degree, the comparison is with that particular object, means zero comparisons. If I say this pen is beautiful pen, this is a beautiful pen, So there is the comparison, but the comparison with itself, okay, means zero comparisons. He is an intellect boy, okay, intelligent boy, okay, he is an intelligent boy. Now in this sentence, intelligent is a adjective, okay, but the comparison is with the boy itself, because we are describing the characteristic or the quality or the intellectual of that boy, okay. But if, okay, now coming to the same example, it will help you us understand much more better. Now the thing is that if I say देखो, right now in my hand there are actually 3 pens, okay. The same example I am taking you, okay, same example I am considering here for better and clear understanding. If I say out of these 3 pens, total I have 3 pens, yes or no? Okay. Out of these 3 pens, if I say this pink color pen is most beautiful, then yes, come in. This pink color pen is the most beautiful pen, okay. Most beautiful of all these pens means what? Means out of these 3 pens or 2 plus, if I have, now imagine if right now in my hand there are 3 pens. If I hold more than 3 pens, okay, no problem. Still we can say that this pink color pen to me is most beautiful pen, okay. So the point we are getting right now, we can write here, देखो, positive, second one is comparative, superlative. So for the trick, each and every formula should be kept in mind by using the best technique and trick, okay. The thing is that for shortcut process, we have to keep in mind that positive means zero comparison and comparative means 1 plus 1. Superlative means 2 plus, okay, 2 plus. So positive means zero comparison, जैसे beautiful, more beautiful, okay. I hope that these are the basic structure of adjective and its degree of comparisons, okay. These are the 3 basic basics formation or the structural rule, okay. Now coming to the point that you may ask, okay, how can I know that we have to write more beautiful and most beautiful? Why? Because the thing is that to make it specify, to make it specific, to make the difference, we need to add more and most respectively in superlative, in comparative and superlative, okay. Now clear this point? Okay. Now coming to the next example here. देखो, the moment we are going to, listen all of you, the moment we are going to change degree into its comparative and superlative form respectively, we need to add sometimes more and sometimes most, more and most, and sometimes er and est. Most of the cases generally we use this way, okay. देखो, bold is a adjective. Is there any doubt? Bold is a adjective, okay. Now we have to make it comparative. The moment we are going to change it into comparative form, we are adding er with the main over or the root over. This is a. with the root word. This is the root word or the main word. With this root word we have to use er when we are forming into it comparative form. Okay, there is the specific rule. Keep in mind that, see, with the effort of our tongue at a single time, the part of word we can pronounce at a single time, this is called one syllable. Okay, one syllable. The moment we can pronounce with the effort of our tongue at a single time, the amount of word we can pronounce, it is called one syllable. Understand? The thing is that we can pronounce the word at a single time. Okay, all of you just put your hand here, okay, under the jaw and make it tight. Now pronounce bold. Okay, your lip touches only one time. Okay, you are opening your mouth only one time to pronounce this word. जैसे बोलो nice, dry. Okay, these are the actual words that we can pronounce at a single time. Okay, at a one time we can pronounce. But if I say beautiful, how many times we are opening our mouth? Beautiful. 3 times. Okay, 3 times. So remember one thing. This is the easiest formula to keep in mind. This is the easiest formula to keep in mind. If we can pronounce the part of word or the whole word at a single time, okay, at one time, this can be called monosyllabic word. Okay, and this monosyllabic word, mono means single, this monosyllabic word is this type of word. That's a bold we can pronounce at a single time. So with this kind of word we have to use er at the end of the main word when we are writing in comparative form. Next, superlative form, est. We have to add est in superlative form in case of monosyllabic word. Understand? If there is more than one syllable in the word, then we have to use more and most. Yes or no? जैसे बोलो splendid, 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 splendid. How many syllables are there in this word? Splendid, splendid. 2 times I have to open up my mouth to pronounce this word. Otherwise, there is no one in this world who can pronounce this word with a single time of effort. Possible नहीं है. तो इसलिए at least we have to open our mouth 2 times. So this is a disyllabic word. Di means double. Ek. Di means double. Okay. That means if there is one syllable, it is called monosyllabic word. If there is more than one syllable and it is 2 syllabic word, it is called disyllable word. So for monosyllabic, for monosyllabic word, we can use er or er and est respectively. But in case of disyllable, trisyllable, okay, more than trisyllabic word, we have to use what? More and most. Only in case of monosyllabic word means what? The word that we can pronounce at a single effort of our mouth or opening for a single time. This type of word is called monosyllabic word. Let's say cold, 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 nice. ठीक है? All these actually monosyllabic word because we can pronounce this word at a single time. So what should we write? Yes. But if I write splendid, splendid, now you say the answer what to write in comparative form. अरे पहले ये बोलो, कंपेरेटिव फॉर्म बोलो। यस, वी हैव टू राइट MOR, मोर। नाउ इन I hope that this is clear to all of you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.